Hello, I'm in England and it's December and it's cold, and I also have a lemon tree, so that lemon tree is going to be cold as well, and so I'm going to make a plastic bottle greenhouse for it. Obviously, one of the first things to think about is the frame of your greenhouse. I'm going to make mine out of wood. My friend Peter has very kindly given me this old pallet, which I need to take apart somehow. As well as this pallet, I used various other bits of scrap wood. If you're going to make your own greenhouse, please do ask permission to use any scrap wood that you find. Work around what you want protecting over the winter to get your measurements. Get a plastic bottle. This is hot soapy water. De-label, de-lid, de-bottom it, and you end up with something like this. So we've got bamboo, willow, and goat's willow, and then you put them all in canes like this. Here we have a bag positively brimming with plastic bottles. Now let's see what that looks like on the ground. So now I've put them on their canes on the ground, and this whole bag is only enough for one greenhouse wall. So you can imagine just how many bottles I've had to collect to make this greenhouse. And here it is, a plastic bottle greenhouse made completely out of used plastic bottles and scrap wood that has either been given to me by friends or I've just found around and about. Things that you don't have to pay for, apart from the screws, maybe an electric screwdriver, and the nails, and a hammer, and that is literally it. It does have gaps in it, but I figured I've never been in a greenhouse that isn't at least a little bit drafty, and so I've tried to block off the bigger holes just by nailing in some extra plastic so it doesn't blow away. I've attached these hooks to the wall and just attached it to the greenhouse with these cable ties. My dad said it's not a work of art, but I disagree. I think it looks more like a piece of art than anything of any functional use. If you think about it, you've been throwing away perfectly good plastic bottle greenhouses for all these years.